Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make sticky date pudding with butterscotch sauce. So let's get started. For the pudding, I've got here 1 1/4 cups of self-raising flour which I have sifted, or you can use 1 1/4 cups of plain flour or all-purpose flour and 1 1/4 teaspoons of baking powder. 2 cups of pitted dates, 1 1/4 cups of hot water, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half cup of brown sugar, half cup of melted butter, and half teaspoon of salt. For the butterscotch sauce, I've got here 300 milliliters of thickened cream, 1 cup of brown sugar, half cup of butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You will also need a baking tray. I'm using a 11-inch by 7-inch baking tray, but you can use any baking tray that you have, a piece of baking paper, and a non-stick cooking spray. Take a baking tray, spray it with some cooking spray, line it with some baking paper, and spray it with some cooking spray again and put it aside. Preheat your oven at 180 degrees for a conventional oven and 160 degrees for a fan-forced oven. Take dates, add baking soda and hot water. Give it a mix and let it soak for 10 minutes. Take self-raising flour, add salt and brown sugar. Give it a mix and put it aside. After 10 minutes, take out 12 dates in a small dish and put it aside. Add the remaining soaked dates into a blender jar and blend it until smooth, or you can mash it using a masher. Transfer it into a big dish, add eggs, vanilla extract, and melted butter, and beat it well using a whisk, or you can use an electric beater. Add dry ingredients and use a spatula and mix it until just combined. Transfer it into the prepared cake tin and spread it evenly using a spatula. Push the 12 dates on top of the pudding and bake it for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, take the pudding out of the oven and push a skewer or a toothpick in the center. It should come out clean. If not, bake it for a further 5 minutes and check it again. Use the skewer to poke holes all over the pudding and put it aside while we make the butterscotch sauce. Take a pot or a saucepan, add cream, butter, sugar and vanilla extract. Put it on medium heat and bring it to a boil, stirring it frequently. When it starts to boil, lower the heat, simmer it for 2 minutes and turn the heat off. Pour half cup of the hot butterscotch sauce on top of the pudding, spread it evenly and let it soak for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, cut it into serving portions, transfer it into a dish and it is ready to serve. My easy sticky date pudding is ready and you can serve it with vanilla ice cream and some butterscotch sauce drizzled on the top. Leftover pudding can be stored in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 5 days. Enjoy! If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.